glossy text effect in one click. Go to this website. Link is given in description. Amazing text effects are available here. Click on Download button. Open with Adobe Photoshop. Double-click on the thumbnail of text layer. Again, double-click on thumbnail of text layer. Type your text and adjust it. Close current file and click Yes. Now adjust lens flares. And the glossy text is ready.